segment, ladies and gentlemen, these awards are called the Spinner Awards. This award is for our spinner partner who has demonstrated the largest shifts from alternative fibers to Birla cellulose fibers during the year. And this award is being presented to Lucky Yarn Tex India Private Limited. In this moment, all I can say is, oi, lucky, lucky, oi. Congratulations, sir. Our first winner for the night deserves a louder round. Congratulations. Congratulations. The small segment is defined as those spinners who have installed a spindle base of 25,000. This award is for our spinner partner who has shown highest growth in consumption of Birla cellulose fibers during the year as compared to the previous period. Ladies and gentlemen, this prestigious award is being presented to Hariharan Spinners India Private Limited. Heartiest congratulations to you. Big smiles, please. Aha, nice. Congratulations, sir. The medium segment is defined as the 25,000 to the 1 lakh spindles. And this award is being presented to our spinner partner in the medium segment. Ladies and gentlemen, please don't feel shy. A huge round of applause to Shri Bhagirath Textiles. जब तक स्टेज पे आ जाए तब तक तो तालियां बजनी चाहिए, right? I like your hairdo, sir. Really slick, I must say. Congratulations. Our largest partner award for offering Birla cellulose in the small segment is being presented to Bharti Spintech India Private Limited. Can we have Bharti Spintex on stage, please? देखो, देखो, देखो वो आ गया. Congratulations, sir. Very well done. Thank you. बहुत मुबारक हो. Congratulations, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, this brings us to our 6th award of the evening. This award celebrates the overall highest consumption of Birla cellulose fibers during the year in the medium segment. Well, since we're talking about victory, how could we not present this award to Victory Spinning Mills Private Limited? A little more victory in the applause, please. Thank you very much, sir. You are looking absolutely stunning on this ramp. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give him a huge round of applause. See, we always had stairs right at the beginning of the ramp, but it's only him who used it. Congratulations, sir. क्या handsome walk किया है, sir. Very nice. अब एक बार award के साथ वैसे ही ramp से जाइए. बहुत मुबारक हो. Thank you very, very much, Ms. Ranath. Thank you. Thank you very much, Mr. Gopal.
Fashion क्या है और कितना fashion को follow करते हैं आप?
For me, fashion is an expression, or fashion is all about your attitude and how you express yourself, and about being comfortable, because it's beauty is in your confidence. So it all, I think, sums up to a great personality, and I think that's pretty much what fashion is for me. देखिए, जैसे आप ज़िंदगी में ग्रो होते हैं, अकॉर्डिंग टू एवरी opposite light. Yeah.
Right.
Because they will have opposite light and everything will. So, okay, meanwhile, we'll start. So, so as and when you grow as a person and how your attitude changes for life. Like I remember when I was in my teens, I saw life differently. When I was in my early 20s, I was different. And now my perception of fashion is completely different. So it's beautiful that it keeps shifting. But you keep recycling your own ideas as well.
कंगना, अभी सोनू निगम ने हाल ही में एक बयान दिया जिससे काफी कंट्रोवर्सी हुई। आप खुलकर हर बातों को बोलती हैं, आप क्या बोलना चाहेंगे?
Sorry.
एक मिनट कुछ नहीं तो
Can you switch off this light?
कंगना, सोनू निगम ने अभी हाल ही में एक बयान दिया है जिससे काफी कंट्रोवर्सी हुई है। 4 दिन से टेलीविजन पे वही चल
Yeah.
रहा
What is that?
है। अजान जो सुबह होती है 5 बजे या कोई भी गुरुद्वारे में या टेम्पल में जो आवाज़ें आती हैं उसकी वजह से लोगों को बड़ा इम्पैक्ट पड़ता है, लोग परेशान होते हैं।
See, I can't speak for anyone, but I personally love Azan. जब हम लोग तनु मनु 2 की शूटिंग भी कर रहे थे लखनऊ में, so I loved, you know, the sound of it. I can only speak for myself. और कोई भी रिलीजियस एक्टिविटी हो, चाहे वो गुरुद्वारे में हो या भगवत गीता हो या अजान हो, मुझे पर्सनली बहुत पसंद है। और मैं हर जगह जो है वो जाती हूँ, चाहे वो कोई मस्जिद हो, चाहे टेंपल हो, चाहे वो चर्च हो। तो हम लोग तो क्रिसमस मास में भी चले जाते हैं हर जगह। या सो बहुत ज़्यादा है नहीं आवाज़। So I can only speak for myself, but that's not to say that what he's saying should not be sort of, you know, considered. That's his opinion, and he should be respected for that. And I think that's the idea of bringing it to social media, isn't it? So it can be discussed. If that answers your question.
या। अच्छा, लक्ष्मीबाई की कैसी तैयारी चल रही है? आप रेस कोर्स भी गई थी और वहाँ पे सीख रही, कैसा चल रहा पूरा?
Yeah.
let her answer.
Just leave our related questions.
Answer this लक्ष्मीबाई।
So, मणिकर्णिका क्वीन ऑफ झांसी, उसके लिए मैं राइडिंग एंड स्वॉर्ड फाइट आई एम ट्रेनिंग इन दैट, और उसकी तैयारी अच्छी चल रही है। वी आर स्टार्टिंग इन जून फर्स्ट वीक, और अभी हम लोग मई फर्स्ट वीक में वी आर अनाउंसिंग द प्रोजेक्ट in a big way. So you guys will get to know everything about it on the in May first week, 4th of May.
सर, आप तो बताएं कंगना को क्यों चुना आप लोगों ने इसको ब्रांड एम्बेसडर?
Because if you know Kangna, she is a fashion icon. She's a very natural person, and I think a dynamic person. And if you look at the Liva, the personality is very similar. It's about flow, it's about freedom from movement, and it's about natural. So I think the brand fit is great.
So how has your association Kanna been with Liva as a brand and a developer?
I think we've started together. Liva has launched with me, and I see this tremendous growth and love that Liva receives, and I feel so happy, and I feel like a mother would feel for a kid. So I have that kind of a relation and association with them, and they've been extremely kind, and the latest campaign that we have shot has been a huge success, and the fabric in itself is doing great because of the quality, and it is eventually what sustains and remains is the quality, the kind of honesty you make it, and how what love consumers they give your product. Eventually, it's all about that, and it's a great fabric. As you all can see, I'm getting a lot of compliments. This is Liva Creme, the new fabric that we've launched, and I'm sure it's gonna get more love than the fabrics we have launched in the past.
कंगना, इसके अलावा आपने आज वॉक किया रैम्बर, तो ऐसी कोई मेमोरी है, फर्स्ट मेमोरी जो आपने वॉक किया हो रैम्बर? इस दौरान बहुत सारे ब्रांड वॉक किए होंगे आपने, लेकिन फर्स्ट मेमोरी जो आप हमारा शेयर करना
So, आज जो गाना चलाया था वो फैशन का चलाया था, तो मुझे मेरे बहुत पुराने दिन, I think 19 or 20, मैं बहुत छोटी थी, और मैं अपने दोस्तों को बता रही थी कि प्रियंका जब सेट पे आती थी, I used to get so starstruck because she was the superstar on sets, और हम लोग सब मॉडल्स ऐसे, I used to be with models, हम लोग ऐसे छुप छुप के प्रियंका को देखते थे. So yeah, मुझे वो सारे दिन याद आ गए. So I think that time was the time when I walked on the ramp for the first time.
We take the last question. फैशन की बात आती है तो आप पर आकर के नजरें हो या नाम हो टिक जाती है. I'm sure वो भी करेंगे. तो आज जब आप रैंप पर चले हो और जब आप कोई ब्रांड आपके पास आता है, क्या वो एक चीज़ है जो आपको हाँ करने पर मजबूर है?
See, आजकल इतना आई थिंक बहुत ज़्यादा हर चीज़ें कंट्रोवर्शियल हो रही हैं, लेकिन मैंने शुरू से ही हमेशा चाहा है कि मैं जो भी ब्रांड करूँ वो इस तरह का होना चाहिए कि उसमें डिग्निटी होनी चाहिए, सो सबसे ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट ये होती है कि इट्स नॉट इनसेंसिटिव टू एनी सेक्शन ऑफ सोसाइटी एंड पीपल. बाकी जैसे फैब्रिक है, लीवा फैब्रिक है, इनकी जो फिलॉसफी है, they recycle it's a natural material, very considerate and environment friendly. So इस तरह के जो very dignified products थे, हम भी aspirational होते हैं कि हम लोग उनसे connected हो और हमें ऐसा brand मिले. So that's what I really seek in a brand.
What is so special about Liva Creme?
It's very soft. It's extremely soft, and this is a luxurious version of Liva, and perfect for like grand affairs, like gowns or party dresses, wedding dresses, and all of that.
Done. Thank you.
Thank you very much.